Hey guys, today we get to work with money. So I have $1 bills here, $10 bills, and $100 bills. The $1 bill is worth $1, the $10 bill is worth 10, and the $100 bill is worth $100. We're going to count up to 124 using these dollars. So I'm going to start with my ones. 1, 2, count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What can we trade out these 10 $1 bills for? That's right, we can trade it out for a $10 bill. Now I'm going to keep counting by tens. 10, remember I'm trying to get to number 124. 10, 20, 30, 40, count with me, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. What can I switch out my 10 $10 bills with? That's right, I can switch it out with a $100 bill. So now I've got 100 and I need to make 24. That's easy peasy lemon squeezy. 24 is made of 2 groups of 10 and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have 124. Let's do another one, but this time we're going to be switching some of these values. Look at the amount of money I have here. How much money is this? If you said $6, you'd be correct. What happens if I change 2 of these dollars and I exchange them for 2 $10 bills? How much money is there now? You should have said $24. What happens if I change one of these $10 bills for a $100 bill? How much money do you have now? Think in your brain. If you said $114, you'd be correct. What if I change this $10 bill to another $100 bill? How much money would you have then? If you said $204, you'd be correct. For your practice work today, you're going to be counting amounts of money. There's only a few questions, so make sure that you do a really good job with it and take your time. Get a whiteboard and marker if that helps your thinking. Have fun!